In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to mint your first artwork on Paras.id. We're going to assume that you have made and funded your Near wallet. If you haven't done so, check out our previous tutorial on the link down below. To begin, click on your profile on the upper right corner of the website. You will see a drop-down menu with different options. Click on the Create Card option. This will take you to the card creation layout. Step 1. Click on Create New Collection. Then, upload an icon for your profile and a name for your collection. Don't forget to add a description at the bottom to let others know what your collection is all about. When that's done, click on Create. This will reveal your new collection under the Create New Collection tab. Step 2 is to upload your artwork by clicking on the outline frame found on the right side of the layout. You can upload a maximum image or video file size of 30 megabytes. Next is to fill out the card's name and description for step number 3. Decide on the number of copies you'd like to make, and be sure to add the card's special attributes down below. For the final step, you will then need to decide on your card's royalties and sale price in Near. A market data for your card will then be presented once you've completed all the steps. Lastly, click Confirm. And there you have it, folks. Your first artwork is now live on the market.